English learning. Mastering context clues for better listening. Hello and welcome back, English learners. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic in our listening comprehension series. Using context clues. Context clues can significantly enhance your understanding when you're listening to English. They help you scan for specific details in a conversation, a speech, a podcast, or even a movie. So, let's get started. First things first, what are context clues? Context clues are hints or information that an author or speaker gives in the surrounding words or sentences that help the listener or reader understand the meaning of new or unfamiliar words. These clues can help us infer the meaning of a word or phrase, even if we've never heard it before. Now, let's discuss the types of context clues. 1. Definition clues. Sometimes, the speaker might directly provide the definition of an unfamiliar term. Look out for phrases like, which means, referred to as, etc. 2. Synonym clues. Here, the speaker might use a synonym to give you a clue. For example, the mansion, or large house, was full of people. 3. Antonym clues. The speaker might contrast the unfamiliar word with its opposite to give us a clue. Listen for contrast signals like, but, however, etc. 4. Example clues. Examples are often used to illustrate the meaning of a word or concept. To effectively use context clues, here are some steps to follow. 1. Identify the unfamiliar word or phrase. When you hear a word or phrase you don't understand, don't panic. Keep listening, and focus on that word. 2. Look for the context clues. Listen to the words or sentences around the unfamiliar term. They will likely contain some hints about its meaning. 3. Infer the meaning. Based on the clues you've identified, try to guess what the unfamiliar term might mean. Remember, practice is key here. The more you practice listening for context clues, the better you'll get at understanding their meaning. Alright, that wraps up our video on using context clues to enhance your English listening skills. Remember, context clues are your secret weapon for understanding new or complex information. So, don't skip on using them. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll see your comprehension improve in no time. Until next time, happy learning!